Transform your living space into a stylish and cozy haven with our selection of top home decor and lighting gadgets. These innovative devices are designed to elevate the ambience of your home, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. From smart lighting solutions and decorative accents to customizable home accessories, we've curated a collection of gadgets that will add a touch of personality and sophistication to every corner of your house. Join us as we explore the world of home decor and lighting gadgets and discover the perfect additions to your living space. Hunter Fan Company 44 LED Kit 59,454 Minimus Ceiling Fan. The Hunter Minimus Ceiling Fan is an ultra-quiet and energy-efficient cooling solution. With a brushed nickel finish, it adds a touch of elegance to any room. It comes with an integrated LED light and a remote control for convenient operation. The 44-inch low-profile design makes it suitable for rooms with low ceilings. Enjoy a comfortable and relaxing environment with this stylish and functional ceiling fan. Casa Smart LED Light Strip, 50 color zones RGBIC. Transform your living space with the Casa Smart LED Light Strip. This 16.4 feet Wi-Fi enabled strip allows you to choose from 16 million colors, making it perfect for setting the right ambience. Compatible with Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, you can control it with your voice or through the app. The high brightness and PU coating ensure a long-lasting and durable performance. Get creative with 50 color zones and trim it to fit any space effortlessly. Jones Smart Dimmer Switch 4-pack. Take control of your lights with the Jones Smart Dimmer Switches. These switches work seamlessly with Alexa and Google Home, enabling voice control for dimming LED, CFL, and incandescent light bulbs. With a single pole design, easy installation, and no hub required, upgrading your lighting has never been easier. The UL certification ensures safety and reliability. Transform your home's lighting and set the perfect mood for any occasion. LB3 Smart Lamp LED Bedside Touch Lamps. The LB3 Smart Lamp is a versatile bedside lamp compatible with Alexa and Google Home. Control the RGB color changing and dimmable warm white nightlight with the Go_Sun app. It's perfect for setting a cozy atmosphere in your bedroom. The lamp is USB powered, making it convenient to use. With the touch-sensitive panel, you can easily adjust the brightness and colors to suit your preferences. Kid Carbon Monoxide Detector and Gas Alarm. Ensure your family's safety with the Kid Carbon Monoxide Detector and Gas Alarm. This plug-in wall unit detects carbon monoxide, propane, natural gas, methane, and explosive gases. The digital LED display provides clear information, and the 9-volt battery backup ensures continuous protection during power outages. Trust this reliable alarm to keep you informed and protected against harmful gases. Decor Remote Control Motorized Blinds. The Decor Motorized Roller Shade brings convenience and sophistication to your windows. With 100% blackout and cordless electric operation, you can control them via the app or with your voice. The Type-C charging ensures long-lasting power, and the 30x72-inch size fits most windows. Embrace smart living and enjoy effortless control over your home's privacy and natural light. Rechargeable flameless votive candles with timer and remote. Create a cozy and safe atmosphere with these rechargeable flameless votive candles. The set includes 12 flickering LED tea lights with warm white light. They come with a timer and a remote control for easy operation. The candles are rechargeable, eliminating the need for batteries. Perfect for home and festive decorations, they offer a beautiful candlelight experience without the risk of fire hazards. SmartPods 20-gallon SmartPods soft-sided container. The SmartPods soft-sided container is a great choice for gardening enthusiasts. The 20-gallon tan pot with strap handles offers ample space for plant growth. The soft-sided design allows for better aeration, promoting healthier root systems. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardening. Experience the benefits of a smart and breathable planter for your plants. Romteca Round LED Bathroom Mirror. Enhance your bathroom with the Romteca LED Bathroom Mirror. This wall-mounted mirror features 3-color dimmable LED lighting for customizable brightness and ambience. The IP54 waterproof design ensures safety in wet environments. With smart touch control and anti-fog functionality, it's a perfect addition to your daily grooming routine. Get ready in style with this modern and practical bathroom mirror. There you have it, our top home decor and lighting gadgets. With these innovative tools, you can infuse your home with personality and create a warm, welcoming environment. From smart lighting solutions that allow you to customize the ambience to decorative accents that add flair to your space, these gadgets offer a perfect blend of functionality and style. Enhance the beauty of your living space and express your unique taste with these exceptional home decor and lighting gadgets. Here's to creating a home that reflects your personality and brings joy to you and your loved ones.